Oh, because of the strain.
That was a surprise.
You know how it is. You know how it is.
So, we are taking everything out of the fridge because we're getting a new fridge!
So I told my husband that for my birthday I want a brand new fridge so that I can cook enough food and fill up the freezer and fill up the fridge so that I don't have to cook all the time. You guys, our fridge is here. Our fridge is here. So there's another fly.
Thank you.
Thank you. 1 second. Is he gonna stay?
Yeah, I'm gonna sit down just like that.
Okay.
Is he taking out the food?
Yeah, just taking it out.
What's the what the food is getting the wires out?
The water sign. Oh, that reminds me. I need to remove this eyes, right? I'm gonna put the eyes. Yeah. This can still plug. Yay! I have an extra fridge. Are you sure I'm still going to sell this thing? Eh? Let's see. It's on. Yeah. So.
Alright.
I knew it was going to fit in. Name 5.
I said more.
I knew. You were doubting me. Eh? So, are you ready for the surprise? When they set it up, you will see the surprise. Yes.
I will see you surprised when they set it.
When they set it up, yes.
So, this fridge is the only thing.
Yeah.
Mommy, it looks like... it looks the same
It's
though.
deep, right?
I don't know, it looks the same.
Yeah. It's still cold. We still get it. What TV does there, Dada?
Can I go downstairs so that I can come downstairs to see this?
Yes, go upstairs after you come downstairs to see the surprise.
I don't want to like...
So do not come down.